Why are you just calling every random thing Shinto?
I've also been calling them Waki.
In Accra, Ghana right now, and it has been a stressful day. And let me give you again a mini tour of our hotel room. So this is a 360. That's the mini tour. Just very simple. We might move to a different state tomorrow, but for now we are just going to get ready and go and eat. See you guys at the Chop Chop Center.
When I see it, and I know that this is more white rice with onions. Yeah.
Is the stew at least okay? The stew is mad. For Nigerian standard, is it up to Nigerian standard? More than. Oh. So they have a special type of rice. Are you sure this is not basmati?
Basma?
What do you want me to say? Is it long grain? They use long grain. Now long grain be this. Forget basmati. Is it long grain?
It's not long grain. So, Chiboy, it looks like you bought leftover beans and rice from the bottom of the pot.
Did he say he ate beans and rice? Are you sure it's not his own leftover? Is that Shinto Adikachi?
I don't know what Shinto looks like.
Why are you just calling every random thing Shinto?
I've also been calling them Waki.
Very nice.
At least this tastes very good. This is Ghana white rice and stew, and it is pretty delicious. The stew is giving abacha sauce. The rice tastes like indomie, but the stew is giving local. No, it looks like it. Taste it. Close your eye and taste it. It tastes like something that can be on abacha. This is. We do not know the name of this dish. If you do, please drop in the comment section and let us know. Because the person that sold it to my brother does not speak English, and he is not sure if any of the things that the girl told him was actually the name of this dish. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of living in Ghana. What we are what we are doing today is we are moving to another state because Accra is too expensive. Accra is expensive for no good reason, so we are moving to another state. And what else? God forbid. Anyway, we are moving to another state, and hopefully expenses will be more balanced when we get there, so wish us luck. An update on the food that we have. I really don't know why people compare Ghana Jollof to Nigerian Jollof. Maybe we will trying the Ghana Jollof in like 7 different other places. We have to eat.
Has been wanting for 7.
Okay, fine. Try the Ghana Jollof in other places to confirm if really the people that are comparing Nigerian Jollof to Ghana Jollof are moving mad. So, see you there.
That's what you're not doing.
What you are doing is interesting.
The fuck?
Eh? More packaging.
Yeah. Is this the bucket?
It looks like a bowl. It's a bucket now. Is this not a bucket? But is this not a bucket?
There is a spoon, one spoon. Two spoons. Okay, you have them for 2 spoons.
What's this? I think this shit off. No, this thing smells like this thing. No, I'm tasting the rice. This thing smells like we have been misunderstanding Ghana. We have been misunderstanding Ghana.
Was it nice?
It's very nice. We bought Doritos potato chips and my brothers ate it. So I'm left with the whole bag and we're going to make it work. Eh? The cake is actual nonsense. The cake is nonsense, but it's nonsense that I can manage. And since you guys that you were looking for the tomato flavor.
I think why the fuck is there tomato flavor?
It tastes like Kumpo and abacha. But it tastes like
Flavored corn. Where is the corn you're coming from?
Chibot, close your eyes and taste this thing and tell me that you don't taste like opaka inside. That it's not like crunchy opaka. Close your eye and imagine. Is he giving opaka? Don't split it! Don't split it! Where would I keep the Doritos now?
Pass them up on the arena and tell them.
People actually. No, I've seen tweets where.
And the expired edition might actually be a good reason for why it's out.
It can't expire. It's ShopRite. It's from ShopRite.
It can't expire.
They can't put something, leave something that is expired on the shelf. What are they paying all of those people?
What's the explanation for our
Cheap boys, many people like this thing. I've seen tweets where somebody refused to go back from wherever they were from because they got hooked on it.
So you like it?
I don't like it, but I cannot. I don't want to see it enter dustbin. Nah, but this bag is huge. This bag is huge for the nonsense. So even the crunch it gives off that is not expired. I have half a mind to tie it and leave it for the people in Nigeria. I say it's souvenir. Let me find a way to preserve it because